When you go downstairs still bleary-eyed and half asleep, you want things to be as easy as possible. And this Siemens coffee machine keeps everything simple and intuitive with its easy to use display. All you have to do is swipe across to choose your drink, or you can even use the Home Connect app. You can enjoy drinks from all around the world from your own kitchen. When you select Coffee World, you'll be offered a variety of international coffee specialities with 19 different options from 8 countries. You can find out about different brewing methods, techniques, and read about their backgrounds. Let's select one. So we go to Coffee World on the app. Let's see what we've got. You've got Coffee Verkid, you've got Grosso Bruna, you've got Cortado, Café con Leche. Let's go for that one. That is a half espresso and half frothy milk topped with a layer of dark milk foam. That sounds really good. So let's go for that one. So if we pop the cup underneath, from here we can press start, and then that gets the coffee machine going. And it means that you can try all sorts of coffees that you may not have tried before. You can even have control over the scent of your coffee. Aroma Select lets you choose between one of 3 different aroma settings. So we'll pop the cup under, and I'm choosing this coffee here, and I can choose either mild, balanced, or let's go for distinctive. And you can do that on the machine itself, or you can do it on the app. And that way you'll be able to wake up to the rich smell of your favorite beverage every morning, helping you to start the day off right. If you'd like more info about this Siemens coffee machine, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.